So, I'm at the vets again. I'm never away from this bloody place. So, Buffy has just had another check-up there, and I did say I would give you the wee update. So, she had 3 lumps. I've probably told you this. She had 3, only 2 that we knew about though. It was when they done the mammary strip that they found the 3rd one. One of them, so they're all, it's weird. I just don't get cancer, so they were all classed as cancer. 2 of them were benign, 1 of them was cancerous, and it was aggressive. But the margins seem good, that they've got it all, it shouldn't spread. She's going to go back in 5 weeks' time and get spayed. That should basically put the chances of her getting mammary cancer down again. But we are 50-50 with that. There's a 50% chance that she'll get that again. So, prognosis-wise, I don't really think we can say right now she is as fit and as healthy as any other dog. And we just need to hope and pray that it stays that way. But I think that's her. She can get exercise again. I don't think she's going to be happy about that. I think she's quite liked not having to go walks. Haven't you? You're not happy about having to be at the vets, are you? She runs in there quite the thing. No issue. Runs straight into the vets. But it's when they want to take her into a room, there's a bit of an issue. So I'm trying to think if I've got anything else to tell you. No, I don't. I don't know when we're going away next. I really don't. We're going away in November, at the end of November. But it's just going to be the odd night here, the odd night there. My next week off, I'm giving up for getting her spayed, so that I'm there for the week. We might, I suppose, if she's the way she was this time, we might get her away somewhere just to recuperate in the van. Hello. We are out. We are sitting outside the Radisson Red, having a wee drink.
A few cocktails, because I'm not waiting in that queue again.
And we're off to see Katie Turnstile in Texas at the Hydro. Right there.
One of the first times I played this song, it was in Bean Scene in Glasgow. In the coffee shop. No one gave a shit. And here we are. Glasgow!
How you doing? I've got to be honest. This is night 2 of Glasgow. And I did say, because last night was mental. And I said, you know, it's a Sunday night, it'll probably be a wee bit calmer. You just fucked up that theory, haven't you? You sound like you're totally up for it. You are? Are you sure? Let's do it! Jesus Christ, Glasgow. Fucking hell. Honest to God, I mean, I can just stand and like do fuck all if you want. I'm up for it.
Hiya. So, it's a Monday, and guess where we are again? The vets. We found another lump, so we're going to get this checked. I'll let you know when we get out what they say. We're not 100% sure. She thinks it could be a bit of suture material, i.e. a bit of stitch, it's dissolving stitches, so she thinks a wee bit's broke away, and that's what it is. Like, it's state in my face, man. This is how stressed out I am, by the way. My whole face is just breaking out. So, that's what they think. We've got her booked in for her spay now, because the sooner we get that done, the sooner we can kind of relax a wee bit, because right now she's at such high risk. These hormones that are doing all the damage are coursing through her body now, and I know that, because she's still having a wee bit of phantom pregnancy nesting in the house. So, 3 weeks time, she's going in to get her spay. I look like I've had a fucking stroke as well now. What is going on? Right, anyway, maybe I have. So, I think we are going to have to start doing some daily vlog videos because we're going to have no content. But the problem with daily vlog videos is I definitely can't film at work. Sharon can't film at work. It's a shame as well because I have some really funny things happen at work. But maybe I could just do a wee story time and I can tell you what's happened at work. I don't know, it'll be the most boring bloody content you've ever seen in your life. We will lose all our subscribers, but I don't know what else to do. We're kind of stuck. And as for full-time van life, well, there's already two things stopping us from being able to do that. One of them you all know about, one we don't speak about, but now I think we might be adding the dog into this. Yeah, because we can't be taking you in full-time van life if we're back and forward to the vets every single week because it's a Monday, and it wouldn't be a Monday without going to the bloody vets. Getting a bit sick of my life, to be honest, guys. I think we need a big change. A big change. Right, guys, so I said I would start filming our daily life. And it was just yesterday, the video there, back at the vets with Buffy. Came home, quite relieved about all that, because obviously they're telling me it's maybe just suture material, which I think I'm inclined to believe. Was in the house an hour, Xander then bursting for the toilet, which was weird, because he's never bursting for the toilet. Diarrhea full of blood. So I'm about to take him out. Fucking joys of having dogs, by the way, honestly. Absolute joys of having dogs. I'm going out for a pee with him, with rubber gloves, so that I can go through his poo to check there's no blood in it. Get a dog, they say. Get 2 dogs, they say. It'll be great. It will be great if you're a fucking millionaire. Right, so there's still blood in his poo. I just want to see. I know yous don't. I'm not going to show yous, don't worry. Oh, I don't know what to do. There's not a lot of blood in it. I don't know. I'm going to have to phone the vets, I think. Right, I phoned the vets. We are at the vets. Told me to bring him straight in. Poor Buffy is back, but she's got to stay in the van this time, aren't you? I've left you the fan on. We'll get him in, see what they're saying. Well, got him in the vets, no bother. He's been getting some man abuse, so I don't know what's going on with him. He's also been trying to eat the rabbit food. Right, she thinks it's just like a tummy bug type thing. She's checked his anal glands. They were a bit full, but there was no blood or anything in them. Look at the state of this van, man. I just chucked everything in and went. Oh. Anybody want a couple of dogs? Because I can't afford them anymore. No known health conditions. So she's gave him some gel stuff to try and stop the diarrhea. Checked his anal glands. They were a wee bit full, but there was no blood or anything in them, so she doesn't think it's been that. So just need to keep an eye on it. So that wasn't bad though. That was only 82 quid. That's not bad. I said that to them when I went in the vets. I'm just going to leave my bank card here, and I didn't even say to them as well, in fact, have you got any jobs going? Because I need a second job to be paying for all this. Oh, let's see what the morning brings, eh? Morning, guys. I'm at work. I'm actually sitting outside my favourite wee cafe. Anyway, didn't film yesterday. I was hoping for a peaceful day yesterday after the vets on Monday and the vets on Tuesday. I was hoping that yesterday was just going to be drama free. So it was now. Sharon put her car over to the garage to get the lights looked at because full beam isn't working on her lights. And mentioned to them that her car was due its MOT. It's due its MOT next month. Mentioned that it was due its MOT, and as they were looking quite busy, she could just leave it to then if they want. They were like, no, we'll try and get it done for you, So that's fine. Next time we get a phone call, that's your car, Sharon, it's failed its MOT really badly and dangerously. That was her words, really dangerously. I was like, how the fuck? You don't have to put your car in for an MOT. So anyway, her car's been MOT'd, it failed. Probably going to need about 600-700 quid's worth of work done on it. And she's having to get a taxi at work today, which is about another 40 quid, man. Oh. So Sharon's car's in the garage still, and we're over tidying out the van because we might be going away on Saturday night. I think we are. I don't really know. This week has been flinging everything at us, so anyway, how's your day been today, Sharon?
Shit.
Did you not enjoy having to come home in the school bus?
No. No, not at all. Screaming, weighing. Oh.
I'll just say this is a fucking
Another
Start again. At least she's saying at least she got on it. Or she'd have been standing about for another hour in that heat. So I say we're just tidying this van out a wee bit. Take all the stuff away to get washed. We've got to empty the toilet. We're not very organised. Me and Sharon are off on a solo trip tonight. After the week that we've had, I think my hair's not sitting right. We've lost loads of mirrors in the house because they took all the mirrored wardrobes away, and it's really making an impact. Anyway, we're away, me and Sharon and somebody else. We have actually had to employ, so it's the first member of the Ruffly Adventure in payroll. The reason I've had to employ somebody is because I'm sick to death of editing videos that Sharon's been filming, and it's literally the sky for 10 minutes. So I have decided that we have hired a cameraman. I will introduce you to him. We are needing a name for him. I really don't know what to call him. There he is. He's a bit annoying, but he's a good wee doggy. Aye. He's a bit noisy, but he is a good wee pet. Aye, he is a bit whiny like. Where are you going? Yep, so that is a new member of the Ruffly crew. Hopefully, does a better job than Sharon does of filming. Right, we are at Helensburgh, guys. This is Helensburgh, but at night. Saturday night. And the place is dead. Even with a beer festival on the go, the place is dead.
Car parks are busy.
Aye, the car, actually that's the most vans I've ever seen in the car park
Usually I
though.
think us are
Three
maybe
maximum,
Three max,
aye.
Usually just us.
But no, I think there's about 6 or 7 the other night.
Which means that we'll be getting stoked soon.
Well, we were part of the problem the night. We were the last ones, the second last ones, and there was somebody after us.
I think turning up now, I don't think there's anything there.
Nah. We're trying to find food.
I don't know why I'm not just googling where we're going, but
We
we're
fancy a
just walking about.
kebab, but we're just walking.
about.
It's nice to be able to do this though.
Aye.
So we've not got the dogs, we can just wander. So we are going to go and try and find some food, and I'll get back to you when we find it.
Smells lovely, I think, over there.
Oh,
So
she's
that
got a
was
pizza
actually
box.
a Chinese, so that's not what I'm smelling, it's no Chinese
No,
I'm
it's
smelling.
not Chinese. What's that
What's
one?
that? What's Anna?
Something smells amazing.
I've been smelling this now for about 2 minutes walking in.
Go, run. Shite bag if you didn't, eh? Aye, this is exactly what we're looking for. Yep, 100%. Morning. I'd like to put Sharon on video, but say morning.
Morning.
So we did nothing last night. We watched YouTube, didn't we?
Fell asleep.
Watched YouTube, fell asleep quite early. We've now got up and we're like, right, what are we going to go and do? So we've got 3 options. We could go for a swim and all that, sauna, hot tub, I think. think it's got all that. Or we could go for breakfast. Or we can go for a walk around the shops and we can't be arsed staying in it.
I'll watch a movie.
Or watch a movie, and we're up for that, but we've only got Netflix and I think we've watched everything. So we're at Wetherspoons for breakfast. The prices in Wetherspoons are amazing, look at that. Sharon's gone for the small Scottish breakfast, £2.25. £1.04 for a coffee. Refill as well. And I know Wetherspoons is cheap, but I just thought they'd put their prices up a bit by now, and they really haven't. So, breakfast one. We're out for breakfast. We did rethink it as we walked past the swimming pool, but nah, we're out for breakfast. Feeding their faces. So I'll go. Loads and loads and loads of boats. Wait till you hear Sharon when she comes in. I've not told her. Did you hear that? Look, like a wee excited kid at Christmas. I know, I see. I just said to the camera when she's excited, Sharon gets in a minute. Sharon's going to lose her shit.